Alright, hello everybody. Today, let me start this thing. I got the title in the mail. So we're gonna go find out if we can get a tag today or do all my paperwork today. And one issue I found is they added an extra digit in my serial number. So hopefully they don't see that. What they don't know won't hurt them, but you know how paperwork goes in the government. So and the DOTs, we're gonna find out. Figured I'd take my truck for a ride. Some of you guys like to hear it whistle. Plus it don't get used enough. And what else? So it could be a happy day, or it could be a bleepity deep bleep beep beep day. And of course, my work has forced overtime, and I got forced in for the weekend, so my weekend's shot. So I got to do what I got to do when I got to do it, and do it now. And it's a little after 9 Thursday morning Eastern time. I think it's August 4th. I have 50 some days. I mean, my car runs and all. I could just improve things. But I would like to get it on the road for a while and drive it around and make sure there's no issues. The other thing I have on my list is to check the rear end gear oil and dry shaft bolts. I already looked at all the leaf spring stuff. That's all good. Believe it or not, the gas gauge works. I don't know if I told you that before. All the lights are working. I need to get that can of deox. If I have troubles, I can just spray some of that on. That's been where I worked pretty good that day. Let me see, is that too much air? I don't think so. We'll cut that out. So right now I'm feeling excitement and despair. I just have a feeling it's gonna be the old, gotta send it back in and get a new title number or a new serial number put in. I just hope they can make a correction, because the guy that wrote it up right. I have his copy with me just in case. So somebody at the DOT had a as they say, a fat finger, and I don't know how they got 7. Well, you know what? If I look at the keyboard, T is closest to number 7, because they got a 7 next to a T, and it shouldn't be there. It may have. A little investigation up here. But that'll be something. My insurance card or my registration card comes in with the bad serial number on it. Get pulled over by a cop and say, "Hey, what do you got here?" I'll have to carry my paperwork. Well, we're here at AAA. I came to AAA because I'm a member, and it's the closest for me for notary. Plus it's discounted or something because of the money I pay for my membership. I'll be back at you. All right. So far so good. Just gotta wait for the mail now. Got all the paperwork. All the paperwork's here. A little over $300 with everything. Title transfer. I had to get the title transferred, and then into my name. And then now I had to send the title back for antique. So it has me thinking, should I even went through all that? Because I could have transferred it today and got a tag, but then it won't pass inspection, so I would have to fix it to pass inspection because of the holes in the quarter panels and stuff. I am going to fix them, but I didn't want to rush through that. So let's see how long this takes. Last title took a month, so this takes a month. What I'll probably end up doing is see if I can borrow my nephew's trailer and just take the car somewhere and drive it up in the mountains somewhere. Where I live, there's police all over the place. So anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. I don't have it with me. And be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.